Man, slow down, bro. Slow down, bro. Calm down, bro. Man, you over here bumping that music all loud.
What's up, man?
Man, who you steal this car from, bro?
You know I be turned.
Come on, bro. Who you steal this car from?
Oh, man, you know I don't steal. You know I don't steal.
Come on, bro. You robbed your cousin. What you mean you don't steal?
Nah, you know what happened? You know what happened?
What's going on?
The paper came through.
No, bro. No, you didn't.
Bro, I got mine. You get yours?
No, bro.
No, my girl got hers. Actually, that's what happened.
Tweaking, bro.
And mine's, matter of fact, I
bro,
think
you shouldn't do that, fam.
Shouldn't do what?
The PPP,
You
bro.
see this?
Tripping.
You see how much she gave me? You see what she got? You see how she
You
riding?
bought this, bro.
Yeah.
You already blowing your money.
Come on, man. She.
Why you bumping?
She like, you can have some money.
Off? This ain't neither
She's
one.
throwing money away, bro. Letting me borrow it.
Bro, don't do that, bro.
And
you
matter of
tweaking.
fact, soon as my here, go right here, DocuSign.
Bro, don't sign that, bro.
Don't sign
Bro, don't do it. I'm trying to tell you, don't do it.
it. What do you mean?
What do I mean? What I mean? Don't do it, bro. You ain't been reading the news.
Didn't you do it?
No, I didn't do it.
Bro, you is a hater.
Why
and I was
would I
thinking
do it? I'm
you was
trying
gonna
to
say
tell
that.
you not
Every
to
time
do
I
it.
say I'm finna do something good, what's wrong with getting
Bro,
some money?
you gotta have a business, bro. Don't sign that.
I have a business. Boop.
Did you really just sign that, fam?
Yeah, I'm finna wait till the law real quick. Bro, I'm finna get some money. I didn't see nothing bad happen to nobody.
Bad boy, bad boy.
Everything
What
good's
you
been
gonna
happening.
do? Or what you gonna do when they...
Bro.
Bro, they locked up Pookie. They locked up Joe. They locked up Lil Kevon. They locked up Rah-Rah. They locked up Lil Sneak all yesterday.
For what?
Yes, bro. PPP.
What you mean?
They locking people up, bro. You ain't seen the news?
Why?
If you don't have a business that can back up your PPP... Do you have a business since 2019? LLC?
Selling shirts? I can sell shirts.
No, bro. You got to have a legitimate business, and when they audit you, they're going to go back into there and see that you ain't did none of that right, and they're going to lock you up, bro, if you can't prove your business.
Why you ain't say that before I signed it?
I was trying to tell you that, man.
No, you didn't tell me that. You was telling me don't sign it. You sounded like a hater. I'm about
No.
to go back and unsign it.
It's too late now.
It's not too late.
It is too late.
About that.
Bro, I got you, man. Just relax, bro.
Why you didn't say that part?
I
you
told
saved the
you that,
important
bro.
part to the last, to the
Bro,
end.
I just learned now.
The first thing you should say is they locking niggas up.
No.
They locking people up.
No, bro.
That's not the last thing you say.
Bro.
I already signed it, bro. They finna come get me.
Bro, I know they is. But, hey, listen to this, though.
You know what? If
I
get
got
the
a
money,
song that'll ease your mind. You know what I'm saying?
Smoking on purple.
No. Something way better. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's more like it.
I think I want to
Hey.
make this car back, bro.
Just buy it. Nah, bro.
Hey, bro.
You can't, bro. You already signed the docs, didn't you?
Oh, bro. I think the feds finna be on me, bro. I don't have no
They
business.
is gonna be.
Bro, this is finna drive
Freedom ain't getting no closer. Find out before I go. You know what I'm saying? You should have thought about that before you thought fast money was coming. Or you had a legitimate business.
You just helped me watch the money with your business. Just
Nah, you ain't riding my business wave.
We boys.
They won't let me out. Come on, man. Get used to this song, bro. Gotta get that money to that lawyer. Yeah, you see what happens, man. If you would have did it the legit way, you wouldn't have nothing to worry about.
It's just a loan. I didn't know.
I thought it was just a loan too, but then you messing with them peoples, and when you playing with they paper, they coming after you.
All right, man.
But hey, man, I'm just the messenger. I might be wrong, but do what you got to do, though, man. Get all that flexing out,
I'm
man.
finna get my paper, man.
Get it out.
If they come, they
Get
come.
it out. Hey.
I'm be fresh as hell.
All right, bro. Hey, man, just write me, man, when you need to, bro. You know, I'll be here, man. But leave me like a couple hundred.
Nope.
You good, though, man. Be smooth, bro. I like this fake Trackhawk, though. It looked like a Hellcat, though.